Welcome to the YouTube channel of darkweb24.net, the best blog about dark web, cybersecurity and cryptocurrencies. We are very happy that you are here today. In this channel we will be talking about all the different topics about dark web, what's the dark web, what can it be useful for, what can you do there. We will explain how to access the dark web. We will be also talking about cryptocurrencies, what is Bitcoin, how to buy Bitcoins and so much more. We will talk about cybersecurity, how to be secure in the internet. So thank you guys for watching this short video. We are very happy to be here with you. Also, if you wanna know more about us and about our mission, feel free to visit our website. Here you can see the link to our blog. Be sure to smash the like button, also subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications so we can notify you when we upload a new video. And thank you guys, thank you for tuning in. Bye.